A daily reminder that you the baddest bitch on the block. Not on my block though, but on your block for sure.
Hey everybody, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Naomi. You're welcome. I'm a YouTuber based in Nigeria. Today we're creating another flawless makeup look on my beautiful model. So quick story, yeah. I went out with my colleague to Benson Idahusa University here in Benin to look for models because yeah, we wanted to work and create some magic. So we went out, and that's how I met Davida. And I spoke to her. She was very sweet. I collected numbers and we chatted, and we fixed a date for the shoot and everything. And so she came in, and I thought, okay, we should film this for YouTube, all right? Because I was going for like this graphic eyeliner look, and I was kind of struggling with it because I haven't done it in a while, but I think it came out pretty good. If you want to see the end result of how I achieved that, please stick around, watch till the end. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it, and let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts. And yeah. Oh, hey guys. Right, so I was gonna quickly drop this here that these days I really don't like using like a lot of product, especially when my model has like a flawless skin. I just focus on the areas of her skin that needs a bit of coverage, and every other part of her face I try to use less products, right? And I kind of learned a new trick from a master class I attended about last month. So the trick is, so after contouring and highlighting, I use different brushes for those. Then I go back in with my foundation brush and start to blend the demarcation line you see between the foundation and the highlighted areas. This just gives me like like a smooth canvas. Like there is no harsh line whatsoever. You can see her forehead, you see the line where I place the contour and the place where the highlighted area is. So I blend the line in between the two with my foundation brush to sort of diffuse all that line so that everything looks like it's coming from within her skin. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. Like, it's something that I learned and I've just been practicing it non-stop, and I've been loving the finish it gives every time. So maybe when next time you're doing your makeup, you should try this out. It's beautiful. If you don't have a lot of brushes, you can use your beauty blender to also achieve this, okay? Because I work along with my beauty blender. It's always in my hand. Now I'm just using a lipstick as a cream blush. I went in with the brush I used to contour to blend that in. Now I'm using my beauty blender to So brows will always, they will always forever remain my favorite thing to do in makeup, right? So I'm using this Younger Beauty Brow Lotion pencil. It's one of my favorite pencils when I'm going for that natural kind of eyebrow. So this is what the eyebrows look like when I'm done filling them in. And this is what it looks like once I went ahead to clean up underneath the brows. So this is me trying to do the graphic liner, and my model could not stay still, so I had to clean it and just do it like along her lash line, like a liner. And yeah, so that's it. I'm using my brow pencil. This one is a Davis brow pencil as a lip liner today, and I love the vibe I was getting from it. So I would line the lip, then I would go over with a lip gloss. I think I used about 3 lip glosses. One was like really pink, the other one was like a bit light pink. Then I went over everything with a metallic lip gloss. So yeah, and I just kept blending back and forth with the pencil, with a lip brush, just to make sure that I marry everything together. And you cannot really tell she's pouting, you cannot really tell the line, where the pencil is coming from or where the lip gloss is coming from. I mean, that's just amazing. So that's another trick, you guys. You want to blend your lip pencil into your lipstick completely. It gives you a better natural finish. So I'm using my trusty mascara from Zara Cosmetics. This is the 4-in-1 Wig Mascara. It comes with a 2-side wand, and this side is specially created for the bottom lashes, and I love it. I use it all the time. Yeah, so this is pretty much the entire look, you guys. Let me know in the comment section if you like it. Let me know, give it a thumbs up, share this video with somebody. I hope you guys were able to learn something from this video, and I'm so happy that I was able to share it with you guys on here. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you can see more pictures of this look. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you guys so much. Bye. Mwah.